In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create parent accounts in Salesforce Lightning. Let's start by opening the Accounts area. In the navigation on the left, choose Accounts to see your list of records. At the top right, select New to add a fresh account. This first record will serve as the parent, so enter the key details you want associated with that top-level entity. Think of the parent account as the umbrella organization or the main company record that will organize related subsidiaries or divisions underneath it. Use clear, consistent naming and fill in the fields that matter to your team, such as the account name, type, and any core business info. The goal is to make this parent easy to find later when you link other accounts to it. Once that parent is created as a normal account, return to your list of accounts. Now find the existing account that should roll up to that parent. This is the child account you want to associate. Open that account and choose Edit. You're not changing its identity, you're simply setting the relationship so Salesforce understands how these records connect. Inside the Edit view, look for the Parent Account field. Click into that field and begin typing the name of the parent account you just created. Salesforce will suggest matching records as you type. Select the correct parent from the list, then save your changes. That's the key moment. By setting the parent account field on the child, you've established the hierarchy. The parent itself remains a normal account record. It becomes a parent through this link. And there you go. You now have a parent-child account relationship in place. This structure helps with clearer reporting, easier navigation through account hierarchies, and a better overview of complex customers with multiple locations or entities. If you ever need to adjust the relationship, you can return to the child account, edit it, and select a different parent. If you don't see the parent account field, it may be hidden by your page layout or permissions, so check with your admin. A few quick tips as you work. Keep naming conventions consistent so your lookup search is straightforward. Verify you're selecting the exact parent you intend, and consider adding a brief description on accounts to clarify their role in the hierarchy. With that, your account structure becomes more intuitive for your whole team, and your data stays organized and reliable. That's all for today. You've learned how to create a parent account and link a child account to it in Salesforce Lightning. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.